Performance sway bars are the second step in suspension enhancement, following performance springs. Eibach's anti-roll kit performance sway bars substantially improve handling and reduce body roll through increased design stiffness over your vehicle's stock bars. The impressive results are increased balance, handling, and cornering grip in all performance driving situations. The anti-roll kit performance sway bars will help correct under or oversteer tendencies. The anti-roll kit sway bars are perfectly balanced for optimum neutral steering handling and precise turn-in response. Our sway bars are made from the highest quality spring steel wire, wound through a proprietary CNC-controlled bending process. Like our springs, we temper the sway bars in order to take the strain off the material and shot peen them to increase their service life. Each kit includes greasable urethane bushings for increased responsiveness, as well as precision forged ends and OEM-style pressed bushing locators, which means no welding or weak points. Additionally, many of the most popular applications are adjustable for fine-tuning the handling to suit your driving style. The anti-roll kit is engineered and calibrated for use with the Pro Kit and Sportline Performance Spring Kits, and can of course be used with our dampers. Another thing you can count on with the anti-roll kit is the world-renowned Eibach quality, rooted in our passion to develop a product that sets the standard, then sets it again. Every Eibach anti-roll kit is designed and rigorously tested by our suspension engineers and performance driving professionals, and is manufactured to exacting standards using the latest technology. Perhaps that's why Eibach is the choice of champions and enthusiasts across the planet. Because the difference between winning and losing isn't accidental. It is earned through our dedication to deliver the finest quality performance suspension products. Eibach, the will to win. For more information on the full line of Eibach suspension products, visit our website at eibach.com.